So hello everyone, how are you? My name is Vedansh and welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel, in my educational channel Talent Trainer. So guys, in this video we are going to discuss about a very important topic of English speaking. Mostly people asked me the same question, which is grammar important for English speaking? Many people have this question. So today I made a video on this topic. In this video I will told you that is really grammar important or not if you want to speak a good English or you are just a beginner. After seeing my video, your all doubt will be cleared and you are able to understand that is grammar really important for you or not. You doesn't need to see any other YouTube videos after watching my this video. So please watch my video till the end. Let's start our video without any time wasting. So guys, if we carefully see the question, so this question say us that is the grammar really important for English speaking or not. So different people have different answer about this question. Some people say that yes, its grammar is very important if you want to speak English, while other people say that grammar is not important if you are able to speak a good English. So what is the real answer of this question? Yes or no? Actually different people have different answer. So the real answer, so what is the real answer of this question? So guys, for my personal experience, I want to share my understanding. If you are a beginner and just started your English speaking, then for you grammar is no essential and no important. Why I am saying this? Just thinking about mother tongue language. As you know that for example your mother tongue language is Hindi. So as you know that you can speak a very good Hindi, but you don't know the grammar. You don't know the grammar of your Hindi language. You don't know Hindi grammar. So tell me that how you able to speak a very good Hindi. Also, although you not know Hindi grammar properly, you also hesitated that why I am speaking so much good Hindi while I don't know Hindi grammar. So the answer of this question is because from childhood you are listening Hindi, you are just speaking in Hindi and you are doing all your work in Hindi. So you are able to speak a good Hindi without grammar. If you want to speak any language, please sit down on a chair carefully and think about it. You just need to read it, you just need to listen it, you just need to speak it. If you able to read it, if you able to listen it, if you able to speak it, then you can speak a very good language, same as English. You don't need to use any grammatical rules because you know that if you see the interview of great personalities, for example the interview of Akshay Kumar, the interview of Salman Khan, the interview of Shah Rukh Khan, you see there that nobody will be so expert in English language. So many people, many English teachers are also doing many grammatical mistakes while they are speaking. Why? Because grammar is not play any role in speaking English. Okay guys, so now I am talking about that why some people say that English grammar is very important for English speaking. Yes guys, as you know that grammar is not important for speaking English. If you want to speak a very good and carefully English, then grammar is important for you. Grammar is like a traffic rule and language is like a riding bike. As you know that when you buy a new bike, you don't know how to ride it. So at this time, do you know traffic rules? No, you don't need to know any traffic rule. Just go in a playground with your bike and start riding. Once you able to ride your bike, then you need to learn traffic rules, because when you don't know how to ride a bike, then traffic rule is not important for you. Same as in the case of English speaking. Your English speaking is not so much good, then the grammatical rule is not important for you. First of all, focus on your English speaking language. If you are able to speak language, if you are able to ride your bike, then the grammatical rules or traffic rules is important for you. I hope you really understand that when you able to speak a good English, when you can speak English without any hesitation, then grammar rules is need. After this you can learn grammar for improving your English speaking, because you know that you can informally talking with each other without any grammatical rules. But if you are going in any interview, in any job interview, when you want to talk with any famous personality, at this time you need to speak in a formal way, and at this time grammar play a very important role. With the help of grammar you can realize your feelings in front of the people. You can show your feelings in front of the peoples. For example, I was going, this is the past continuous sentence. But if you are saying this, I will be going, so this is a future continuous sentence. This means you can go in future, but I was going, this means you was go at past. So there are two different sentence. What is the difference between in both sentence? There is only helping verb is change. In first the was is used, and in second will be is used. So we can say by saying this that yes, grammar is important for you if you are able to speak a very good English. So guys, I hope that in this video I clarify your all the doubt about grammar. Now you understand that is grammar important for English speaking or not. The answer of the question is also same, yes or no. If you are a beginner, that there is no need of any grammar for you. But if you are an advanced speaker, your English speaking is so much good, you can speak English without hesitation. So you need to learn grammar rules, because at this time grammar is very important for you. But if you are a beginner, so just start your speaking skill without grammar. Don't fear of grammar, just escape the word grammar, only focus on your language. For formal interviews, for talking in front of any formal personality, you need grammar, otherwise not. I hope you understand my all the thinking, my all the knowledge. So if this video is helpful to you, then please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like my video, and also share it with your friends and other family members, your other brothers, cousins. So you can spread my video all over the country if you like, because you know that I am just a younger boy, at least 16 years old, and I am doing hard work for improving my English, for teaching you, because I know English is a very important in our daily life. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I say once again, and tata bye bye. I meet you again in the next video with a new topic. Namaskar, Hare Krishna.